Kiharo gya Kirigiti kaunti-ini ya Kiambu gitanyitwo kurikirira gwakwo muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu na kiambiriria kuhuthika, na uu ni kuringana na minister wa mathako bururi-ini Kipchumba Murkomen uria ucerete kiharo-ini giki.
Hopefully by the end of this year this stadium should be functional and should be able to hold very important sports facilities.
Waki wa kiharo giki wambiriirie miaka 4 mihituku, na kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 ithirite waki wake ukoretwo urugamite ni undu wa wagi wa kigina. Indi honge iria ciagiriire ni cigucokanirira niguo gutigirira kiharo giki ni kiarikirira ihinda-ini riu rigwetetwo.
We agree on resource mobilization and find ways of paying the contractor. We should not have him here after 2 months because what's remaining is not as much as what was in the beginning.
Minister Murkomen akianirira ati gutiri kiharo kingi kieru gikwamba gwakwo mbere wa iria ciambiriirie bururi-ini gukorwo irikiriire gwakwo. Mubunge wa Kiambu Waithaka Maciwa uria umagaritie Murkomen akiuga megutigirira muingi wa Kiambu ni wamba kugunika hanene kiharo giki wona kiarika.
Andu aitwa sports mwana mufira netball basketball na macokerio through CDF. Na ithu tutiari muno kuruta wira ucio.
Like for instance to have a sports ground for that the locals can be using for what Mheshimiwa said.
Mubango wa uria iharo ici cirihuthikaga gutura mbeca cia kuhota guciramata ni ukwarirwo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Kirigiti kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.